Today we are going to learn how to use search function in Google Sheets. This function helps you find the position of a specific character or string within a text. Let's get started with an example. We have a string of numbers here in cell A2. So let's say we want to know the position of 8 in the string. We can do this with the search function. We will insert the formula in cell B2. The formula is equals to search. Here we input the value we have to search for. In this case it's 8 followed by comma and then cell A2, close parenthesis and press enter. The result is 8 because the number is located at 8th position in the string. Now let's add another value, say A in cell A2. The result changes to 9 because 8 is now at 9th position. Whenever we use the search function, by default it starts from the first position, but in some cases we have to specify a starting position. Let's see it in our next example. In this example we want to return the position of second one and skip the first one. In this case we will give a starting position. So let's insert the formula, that is equals to search for 1 and then text to search is 82. And then here I will insert the starting at or starting position, so it's second because I want to skip the first one, and close parenthesis and press enter. As you can see the result is 6, and when we count 1 2 3 4 5 6, the second one is located at 6th position. Quick note, the formula includes the values before starting position and returns the position of search value. That means whatever values we have excluded from the formula, that will be included in the search position, as you can see here. So let's jump into our next section, that's case sensitive search. So here we have some values in column A. You can see these values are in different cases, like the first one is uppercase and the second one is in lowercase and the third one is in a proper case. Okay, so we want to get the position of capital S. So I will insert the formula search, and remember whenever we search for a text we have to insert in double quotes. So here I will add S in double quotes and then search A2, and I will not give any starting position here, and then just press enter. Let's drag it down. You can see all the formulas have written the same position, with that 5, because case function is not case sensitive. Here we can see the S is located at 1 2 3 4 5th position, and it's the same case with all the cases. If you want to know the formula that's case sensitive, we can use the find function. Here I will insert find and then capital S, that's our search for the text we are searching for. Then text to search, that's the A2, that's the text, and then starting at, I will keep it blank or let's keep it. Press enter. I will simply click here, and as you can see the position of capital S is in 5th position at here and at 8th position in this text. It has skipped this small case, and here we have an error because there is no capital S in the text. Let's check our next section, that's the wildcard. In some cases we need to find some wildcard entries. In that case we can use wildcard. So let's see it with an example. Here I will put the formula search for, let's say I want to search something that starts with H and it can be any numbers in between and ends with E, double quotes. The text to search or text cell is A2. Again I will skip the starting at and press enter. Okay, so here we can see the HARLE is here, that's why the formula has written second because it starts with second. And similarly we can see it here, and the position of H starts with first, that's why the formula has written 1 here, and we have got same result here. And here we have some errors because the formula didn't find those values. let's jump into our next section, that's use case. So here we have some names, full names, and we want to get first name using the search function. So here we will use a search function along with left function. So let's use left and then select A2, press enter. The left function returns the defined character from the left side. By default it's set on 1. That's why we are seeing the first alphabet of these names. So instead of 1, I will use the search function here to determine the number of character we want to get, and here I will search space because we have space between those full name, and text to search would be A2, then close parenthesis and press enter. You can see we have got the result, that's Eva, the first name, but we take the length of this, it's 4, because the search function has included the space as well. So to get rid of that extra space, I will subtract 1 from the search. Now it's 3. Let's drag it down. We have extracted first name from full names with the help of search and left function. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you would like to see more Google Sheets and workspace related tutorials, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification when a new video is uploaded.